Good morning. Welcome to Mickey and my craft. This is Ida, your host. Today we have untubing of two Masterpiece by Number. That's a company here in the United States. Okay, one of them has the gift of the month. And but before we do all this, please hit the like, subscribe, and comment and the notification bell if you like this video. Don't forget to check out the playlist. They have I have different playlists with different crafts like diamond painting, crochet, DIY house, miniature house, everything. So don't forget to check that out. And to my new subscribers, welcome to the channel. I hope you feel comfortable in here. I hope I can entertain you by showing you cases, showing you craft and doing them and finishing the work, which is sometimes rarely done in the YouTube world. So let's get started. This one the gift apparently came inside because the paint came outside. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unpack. This is the less heavier. So let's see. They came in a box though, so they were very careful. Let's see what this one got. Never mind. Okay, we got over here. Tells you it tells you it tells you looking after your kid, how to paint and everything. We got a short. Abraham Hunter. So this is a licensed one. And this one is the rooster. Right here. Okay. So it comes with a chart, which is good for reference or in case that you lost. It doesn't tell you what level is this, but this one I'm assuming that is kind of an intermediate level. Okay, so let's see. Here are the paint brushes. Okay, here is the picture. Masterpiecebynumber.com. Abraham Hunter, courtesy of MHS licensing. So here is your rooster, and I got this one as soon as I saw it because you know, you guys, I'm crazy about roosters. I haven't done anyone diamond painting or otherwise, but I'll get to it. Believe me, I'll get to it eventually. And I like that. I like the colors. It has 24 colors. Okay, you can see it's a very semi-colorful paint, and it has some nice bright colors. Okay, so let me put this on the side. Let's take a look at the... So the gift is not here. Okay, the canvas is a linen canvas with the canvas on the top. And it tells you the brand. Masterpiece by Number. It's a form of a sticker. And the name of the pen is called Rhode Island Rooster. Tells you the name of the company, the website, the number of the canvas, and the name of the canvas. Rhode Island Rooster. And you see that it should be telling me the size of it, but I think this is a 16 by 20 because I usually choose them on that frame work. So here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Also, this one I see that the numbers are kind of light. This is very good, but you can see them on the lines. Okay, this one is a good one to do it with the flow method. I'm still working on the flow method, so does this one come with the phone? I don't even know because the thing fell off on the other side, so I'm gonna have to fold it like this, leave it on this side, roll it up, I mean, not fold it, roll it up like this, leave it on this side, and then I'll take care of, when I'm done, of the paint. Let me put this inside here. Okay, let's do this one, which is a little bit heavier. Aha! We got some stuff in here. Look what we got. We got some paintbrushes. This one is number 1 and 50, which is one of my favorite because this one I'm planning to using it. My 50 is coming down hard. This 50, this one over here, is good for these little tiny places on the canvas. So I'll be trying. This one is number 1 round, and it has the brand on it. I'm gonna leave it outside because I'm planning to. Let's see what we got over here. This is a gift set of the month. That's what I bought it when I saw it, because even if you take care of your brushes through time, they you know, they don't last that long anyway. Over here, oh, I got another 50. I got a 30, a 20, a 1, and a 3, which is this one for big places. But the other ones that I like for the tiny places, depending, are these two. I already showed you the 50, so I'm not gonna, but this is 30. Maybe if I show you on a darker place, you'll see it. Let's see. Are you seeing it? 30 and 20. Okay. It seems like the higher the number, the smaller the brush it is. But these are other two that I use a lot for the paint by numbers. Okay, let me get them out because I'm planning to use them. This is a 5-0. This is a 5-0. You see how tiny it is? This one is so good for those places. So good, so good, so good, Nick. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, we got the paints. And this one is Artist Some King, licensed by Bentley Licensing Group. Let me show you this part. This one didn't came wrapped up. They all came loose. So I'm going to show them to you from here, because I don't want to get all these things. This is a picture. Look how beautiful it is. Some Kin. It's another license paint by numbers. You get a set of brushes, and here are the colors. I'm not taking it out because they're not packed like the other ones. Is what, 24 colors too. Okay, all I have to do is put this in here. Let's see. Here it is. This is an advanced one. Yeah. Here is the short. It comes with the short. Okay. I know they don't come with the phone. And here is the... Here is the canvas, and like I said, it tells you the name of the company, the website, the number of the canvas, and this one is called Courtyard Colors. The name of the canvas, Courtyard Colors by Sun Kim. Okay. Again, this one has very light lines. This one is kind of more of advanced, got a lot on it. A lot of small cells. Take a look at this, but you can see them clearly. The small cells. Take a look at that. Okay. So, having said that, hope you like this video. These are two nice masks. This one is to do like in the springtime. I'm not gonna worry about this for a long time. Okay, so that's it, folks. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe if you like this video. Always check out the end cards, because I have other videos, other unboxing or finishes videos. So far I have finished 3 this year. I'm planning to out on river on boat. It's gonna be finished soon, as you're gonna see in the update. and then we're gonna start the Christmas one. So thank you for watching again. Have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.